Hi Star Seeds! So today I'm going to be showing you how to make gluten-free vegan banana oatmeal pancakes. And I love these only because they're super healthy, but they're also very fluffy, which is a little bit tricky when it comes to gluten-free baking and gluten-free goods like pancakes, is that you get this rubbery consistency, this rubbery sort of texture rather. And these pancakes are not like that. They're actually very fluffy and they're delicious. But before we get into the video, I just want, for those of you who don't know me, I want to introduce myself. My name is Irene. Greg is behind the camera, and we've been giving you plant-based recipes for the last 5 years, weekly. So I hope you guys subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so you can be notified every single time we upload a video, and don't forget to smash that like button. So let's get into it. So Greg, who's behind the camera, is an amazing videographer and photographer. For those of you who are interested in photography, please go ahead and check out his channel. He just started his YouTube channel, and I'll leave the link for you in the description box below. So we're gonna start off by placing 2 bananas, make sure they're ripe, into our blender. And guys, I wanna say that this is also a sugar-free, gluten-free, vegan oatmeal and banana pancake recipe, as we're just using bananas to sweeten this. So I'm also going in with 2 cups of almond milk. This is freshly made. I made this morning. None of that stuff, store-bought stuff. Well, there's nothing wrong with store-bought products like almond milk, but I just prefer freshly made. I'm also going in with 2 tablespoons of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Lemons are actually from my lemon tree. So we're gonna pop on the lid, and we're gonna blend this until smooth and creamy. Shouldn't take longer than 30 seconds. So now that we've blended up the wet ingredients, we're gonna go ahead and add in the dry ingredients, starting with 1.5 cups of sprouted oat flour. So I've actually sprouted these oats, dehydrated them, and then made a wonderful flour out of it. If you don't have time to do that, you can just buy store-bought sprouted oats and then blend them up in the food processor. So this is the brand that I use, Sun & Seed, and these are organic sprouted rolled oats, and all you would do is pop them into the food processor and make a nice flour out of them. I'm also going in with 1/2 cup of rice flour, 4 teaspoons of baking powder, and lastly, a teaspoon of cinnamon. You could easily add more if you like. I usually add like a couple tablespoons because I'm obsessed with cinnamon. So all we're gonna do is blend this up until smooth and creamy. So this is the consistency of our batter. It's not too thick, not too thin. You can see that it's at a pourable consistency, but has a heaviness to it. So I just really love this recipe. It's such an easy vegan, gluten-free, sugar-free pancake recipe. What we're gonna do now is just fry them up. So that took like 5 minutes to make in the blender. It was really nothing. So what we're gonna do now is pour our batter into a glass bowl and use a ladle to pour it onto our frying pan. So I'm gonna add some vegan butter onto our pan. You really need to add butter, vegan butter. It adds a nice flavor, but also helps your pancakes not to stick to the pan and makes them nice and golden. Okay, so I'm just adding in my pancake batter. So I'm gonna try and flip it. Oh yeah, perfect. Okay, so I'm just gonna plate these. Oh yeah, look how fluffy they are. I love that. I love that about these. So this recipe makes 6 to 7 pancakes, and what I'm gonna do now is take some coconut cream and just dollop it just like that. Delish. And obviously you can use any kind of toppings you like, but on hand I had some coconut cream on hand and also some vegan chocolate chips that I love. And if you want to keep it super, super healthy, you can always use cacao nibs instead of chocolate chips. And obviously you can use agave nectar or maple syrup or any syrup of your choice. Okay guys, so these are so delicious, and what I love about them is that they're fluffy, but there's also this heaviness to them, and the inside is dense, but it's also fluffy. So I really enjoy these, and for those of you who are watching your weight or you're trying to be a little more healthy, these are an excellent alternative to regular pancakes. Like I've said before, they're gluten-free, they're refined sugar-free pancakes, and they're made with oats and bananas, and they're absolutely delicious. You can even spread some marmalade on the top if you're not into all that syrupy goodness, which I am, but anyway. If you like this video, please leave a comment down below. Let me know where you're watching from, and smash that like button, and don't forget to subscribe, because you know we're here providing you with plant-based goodness every single week. So I hope to see you guys next time for the next recipe video. Mwah.